Looking to make a WhatsApp group call but only want to include certain members? Don't worry, this quick and easy tutorial will guide you through the process, step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're inside, scroll through your chats and open the group chat where you'd like to make the call. At the top of the chat screen, you'll notice the video call and audio call icons. Tap on the icon for the type of call you prefer. A pop-up screen will then appear. To exclude certain members from the group call, tap on the group name. This will expand the group, showing you the list of all its members. Next, go ahead and select the specific contacts you want to include in the call. Once you've chosen who to call, tap on the call button at the bottom of the screen. That's it. This simple trick lets you call only the people you need, even if they're part of a larger group. If this video was helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.